Welcome back to another video, everyone. In this quick video, we'll show you how you can disable or turn off the live voicemail feature on your iPhone running iOS 17. The live voicemail feature that lets you read a transcription of a caller's message in real time, but if you don't find the feature useful or it's distracting for you, then let's learn how to turn it off. The first step that we'll do is to go over to the settings of our device and then scroll down. Keep scrolling until you can see the phone option. Once we open that, you should see the live voicemail option in here. Here it is, and we'll open this. As you can see, the feature is enabled for me. Simply turn the switch off and the live voicemail feature won't be active when someone leaves a voicemail for you. It says here view a transcript of an incoming voicemail in real time and answer the call before it ends. So when live voicemail is disabled, you won't be getting the live transcript and the text when someone sends you a voicemail. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like on it and I'll see you in the next one.